Hello class, this is ABS sir, and today I'm going to teach you triangle law of vector addition. What? Today I'm going to teach you triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition. First of all, we should know what is the statement of this law and why this law is so important. You know, when there are two vectors, they can be any two vectors, x, y, a, b, p, q, any two vectors. If there are two vectors and we have to find their sum, that is, we have to find vector x plus vector y, or vector a plus vector b, or vector p plus vector q, then this triangle law of vector addition comes to our help, and this is very useful and very important. So what is the statement? Statement of triangle law of vector addition states that if two sides of a triangle represent, if two sides of triangle represent two vectors, then their resultant is represented by third side of that triangle. That is, vector R is the resultant of sum of vectors A and B. If there is a triangle, say this side is representing vector A and this side is representing vector B, then the third side will represent their resultant vector R. This is a statement, and it's very useful to find sum of two vectors. Even we can find difference of two vectors, that I will discuss later. First, let us see how do we mathematically prove it. So, proof of triangle law of vector addition. Say there is a vector A along this direction, and say there is another vector B along this direction, which is making angle theta with vector A. So if I draw a perpendicular from here to here, then from the knowledge of trigonometry, we know that this side will be B sine theta and this side will be B cos theta. Then joining this initial point of vector A to final point of vector B, I know this is my resultant vector R. So as you can see, what I have done nothing. I have simply resolved vector B along X direction, that is along vector A, and perpendicular to vector A. Now we know from Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square, that is vector R square, must be equal to perpendicular square, that is B sine theta square, plus base square, that is A plus B cos theta whole square. Now what I will do, I will use basic class 9th mathematics. We know that vector R square is equal to B square sine square theta. I'll expand that A plus B cos theta whole square. A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta. Which identity I am using? I am using A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is the identity I am using. Now rearranging the term, we will get a square plus 2 into a into b cos theta plus, taking out b common, I find out sine square theta plus cos square theta. Now, you know from basic trigonometry, sum of sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I will write a square plus 2ab cos theta plus b square into 1. And finally, I'll write r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now, finally, I'll write vector r magnitude is given as a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So this is my mathematical proof for triangle law of vector addition. But since we are dealing with vectors, I have just found out the magnitude, that is the length of this r. I still have to find out angle. I still have to find out angle alpha. Say vector r is making angle alpha with vector a. Then simply I can write what? Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular b sine theta upon base, that is a plus b cos theta. So this is telling me the direction. So finally I'll write tan alpha is equal to b sine theta upon a plus b cos theta. So I have derived magnitude as well as direction for triangle law of vector addition. Hence proved. Thank you very much, class. We will discuss the later topics later on. Thank you very much.